Okay, you guys, this is Uncle P, and I want to go over our signals group to try to go over the numbers that we had for last week so you guys can kind of see exactly what happened. As you know, last week was NFP week, and anybody who's ever traded NFP, you know it's a very, very sketchy week, but we still pulled out okay. So in week number 1 of July, we had 16 wins, only 5 losses, 2 break-evens, and the scalping group did 19,984 pips last week before last. Last week, NFP week, we had 11 wins, 6 losses, and 1 break-even. You know, the market was very, very sketchy, but we still pulled out more wins than losses, of course. And they did not trade last week. They more went to just education and stuff like that, answering questions. So with this number here, there was more than enough to cover for the entire month. But so that's why they didn't do much last week. Again, during NFP week, it's one of those times you don't want to trade way too heavy because of the news, which some of you guys probably found out. So anyway, let's go to year to date. We have 134 on the wins, only 47 losses, 10 break evens, and this is the quarter, the number of pips that they've collected in the scalping group, and that does not include the number of wins through the signals group as well. So we have 248,763 pips. So, and that's in addition to the wins and so forth. So anyway, as you can see, we're rocking and rolling through the year. The markets are sketchy, but we're still being pretty consistent with our results. So I just wanted to give you guys that update and let you know. Now we're on week 3, which should be a lot smoother this week because of what's happening in the markets. And I think let me check and see. Give me a second. I think we're 6-2 already for today. I'll let you know momentarily. Let me check. I'm on my phone. I got to check it on my phone because it's a different report. And I'll be reporting the final numbers to you guys on that, of course, at the end of this coming week. So let's take a look. Yeah, we're 6-2 so far this week. Okay, so we lost on Euro, JPY, and NZD USD early in the week, but then after that, everything else is looking pretty good. We're 6-2 and have 3 floating open trades. So if those close, we'll be 9-2 this week. Okay, so anyway, that's the update, and I'll get this report out to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.